In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a bullet chart in Tableau. Whether you're an avid data enthusiast or just diving into the world of data visualization, bullet charts are an incredibly effective way to display performance data against a target, providing clear insights at a glance. So, let's jump right into it and get started with creating your own bullet chart. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't yet downloaded it, now's the time to do so. Once you've successfully opened the app, the next step is to access your worksheet. With your data set at the ready, you'll want to start by dragging the subcategory data to the rows shelf. This action helps organize your data into distinct categories, setting up a clear framework for your chart. After setting up your rows, it's time to bring in some numbers. Drag a measure, like sales, into the column shelf. This step will initiate the formation of your visual data representation, plotting various sales figures across your chart. But to make this visualization truly impactful, you'll also want to drag a measure, the very same sales, to the detail shelf. This ensures that each subcategory is uniquely represented within the chart, enhancing the level of detail and specificity. We're not quite there yet, but so far, so good. Now, to make your chart more insightful and legible, let's set it to sort in descending order. This will allow you to quickly identify which subcategories are hitting the mark and which ones might need a little more attention. Having sorted your data, full focus now shifts to the axis settings. Right-click on the axis and select Add Reference Line. Here's where the magic of bullet charts really begins to happen. For the reference line, you'll need to set the value to match your target measure. This line will act as a benchmark for your data, helping you quickly assess how the actual data stacks up against predetermined targets. Once the measure is selected, choose Per Cell for the reference line. This option applies the benchmark to each individual data cell, providing a tailored point of reference for each category within your chart. To add further clarity, decide if you want a label on your reference line or prefer to keep it minimal. Labels can be helpful for providing additional context at a glance, but simplicity is also key if you want an uncluttered chart. Lastly, don't forget to customize the line style. Whether it's color or thickness, make sure it stands out yet complements the design of your chart. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a bullet chart in Tableau, a powerful tool that merges performance tracking and data visualization seamlessly. Keep practicing and exploring the extensive features Tableau offers to further elevate your data storytelling skills. Thanks for watching and happy charting.